Hi everyone, my name is Nahas. I am from Carrefour Del Mamul. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. Have you heard Huawei is going to launch a new wireless headset? Yes, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro is coming. Here are the top 4 features I would like to share with you in this video. Huawei has reinvented the design DNA of the FreeBuds category by introducing a new geometrical aesthetic experience for all its consumers. Its lightweight and oval case design make it much easier to fit in your pocket or bag. The FreeBuds Pro provides the perfect balance between stability and comfort because of its curved in-ear design that allows you to enjoy your music for longer time without feeling squeezed or stuffy. It also provides you with a dynamic active noise cancellation. It is so intelligent that it can identify noise around you and accordingly it will choose the best noise cancellation mode for your environment in a real time to give you the ease of use and great sound quality. You can connect your FreeBuds Pro with two devices at the same time. It switches seamlessly and effortlessly between the two connected devices, which makes it easy for you to multitask when in office or at home. If you are always on the go and have concerns on charging your buds, then worry no more. With the FreeBuds Pro, you get to enjoy an exceptional 30 hours music playback with active noise cancellation off and the charging box. It supports both wired and wireless fast charge. You can charge it up to 55% with AC wired charging and up to 32% with wireless charging in just 30 minutes. What even gets better is Huawei FreeBuds Pro allows you to control your media, calls, volume and noise control mode directly on your earbuds at your fingertips. You can also connect your FreeBuds Pro to Huawei AI Life app where you can check your battery status, check for updates, even customize the gestures and much more. All you have to do is download AI Life app from your app gallery on your Huawei device or from the Play Store on your Android device.